Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can play Spotify and YouTube at the same time. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, all you have to do is first of all access your Spotify. And now let's go ahead, play a song. So let's say we are playing that song, and now if we simply, you can see we are simply playing that song right over there. Afterwards, let's go ahead, open up our YouTube app, and let's go ahead, play the video, right? So you can see this is our YouTube video playing, right? If we simply scroll down our status bar, then right over here our Spotify is simply gone. Right now we're simply playing the YouTube. Now let's go ahead and stop this, and now if I go, because that video has simply switched, now if I go back and go to my Spotify and I play this, now go to my YouTube and I turn on this, again it's gonna switch, and now my Spotify doesn't exist over there, and you come over here, it's now stopped. So the thing is, if you would like to simply play both of them, you can't do it. You have to choose to play one at a time, and you can do so accordingly, otherwise there is no other way for you to do so. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.